Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you can access the account's recovery channel. That's crucial so the code reaches you. Open Instagram and go straight to the login screen, then select Get Help Signing In or Send Code. Choose SMS if you have the phone, or select an Authenticator app if you previously set one up. Once requested, wait for the 6-digit code. This step triggers the server to generate a time-limited code, so act promptly when it arrives. Now you'll enter the authentication code carefully. Accuracy matters because Instagram validates each digit. Tap the code input field and type the 6 numbers exactly. Do not paste hidden characters or include spaces. If you're using an Authenticator app, open it and copy the current rotating code quickly before it expires, then paste it into Instagram. If you don't receive it, wait a minute or two before requesting a resend to avoid finish by tapping confirm. Instagram will validate the code and let you in, so make sure to save login info only on personal devices. If the code is rejected, first check that your phone's time is synced correctly. Authenticator codes depend on accurate device time. Try the alternate channel, like email or a backup authenticator, before requesting support. If nothing works, follow Instagram's account recovery prompts. Contacting support is a last resort after you've tried all available code channels.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.